Hi, this is the 17th episode of my foot draft thing. I have a load of things selling at the moment, so she's gonna get that person I win. It's his fault. Yeah, I have a load of things selling. This is on my old Xbox. I'm gonna go into the foot draft now. What's that, Ronaldo? Is that meant to be striker? I know you play Xbox Live. I have to be on single player. I'm gonna go for the 199 draft. Going for man of the matches then. Good team so far. I'll go for another one. Just hate him. So I was amazing in this game, by the way. Carlo. Apparently going to West Brom, then Berahino's going to Watford. Why is he on the front cover? Biggest joke ever. He's new, by the way, I think. So many different colour cards. Take who for the bunts. I'll probably take Neymar. First time I've used him.